Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with tips and tricks on how to take care of your furry best friend. Today's video is all about dog housebreaking tips. Housebreaking is an essential aspect of owning a dog, but it can also be a challenging one. With the right techniques and patience, you can make the process easier for you and your dog. In this video, we will cover what you should and shouldn't do when housebreaking your dog. What is housebreaking? Housebreaking is a process that involves teaching your dog to eliminate outside or in a designated area indoors. It is essential to teach your dog proper elimination habits to maintain a clean and healthy living environment for both you and your pet. Housebreaking also helps prevent behavioral problems that can arise from a lack of training. Housebreaking is a crucial part of a dog's training as it teaches them where and when to go potty. The process involves teaching your dog to understand that going potty is something they should do outside or in a designated area indoors. To housebreak your dog, you need to establish a routine that includes regular feeding times and scheduled potty breaks. This routine will help your dog learn when it's time to go outside or to the designated potty area indoors. It is essential to take your dog out first thing in the morning, after meals, and before bedtime. Additionally, it is crucial to take your dog outside after periods of play or excitement. When you take your dog out, use a specific word or phrase to let them know it's time to go potty. Choose a word or phrase like, "go potty," or "do your business," and use it consistently to help your dog understand what you expect them to do. Praise and reward your dog when they go potty in the designated area. Positive reinforcement encourages your dog to repeat the behavior. It is essential to reward your dog immediately after they go potty and not when they come back inside. Reward your dog with praise, treats, or playtime to reinforce their good behavior. If your dog has an accident indoors, do not punish them. Instead, clean up the mess and try to catch your dog in the act next time to prevent future accidents. Punishing your dog for accidents will only confuse them and may lead to other behavioral problems. Housebreaking is an essential part of training your dog. It requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. By establishing a routine, using a specific word or phrase, and rewarding good behavior, you can successfully teach your dog proper elimination habits and prevent behavioral problems. What you should do when housebreaking your dog. 1. Establish a routine. Establishing a routine is essential when housebreaking your dog. Dogs thrive on routine, and they need to know when it's time to eliminate. Establish a feeding schedule and take your dog out to eliminate after every meal. Take your dog out first thing in the morning, before bedtime, and every 2 to 3 hours throughout the day. Consistency is key, so stick to the routine. 1. Choose a designated elimination area. Choosing a designated elimination area is crucial when housebreaking your dog. Take your dog to the same spot every time you go outside, and use a verbal command like, "go potty," to let your dog know what is expected. Dogs learn by repetition, so the more times you take them to the same spot, the quicker they will understand what to do. 1. Reward good behavior. Positive reinforcement is an effective way to train your dog. When your dog eliminates in the designated area, reward them with praise, treats, or a favorite toy. Dogs love to please their owners, and they will repeat behaviors that result in rewards. 1. Be patient. Housebreaking takes time and patience. Your dog is learning a new habit, and it will take time for them to understand what is expected of them. Accidents will happen, so be patient, and don't punish your dog for making a mistake. Instead, redirect them to the designated elimination area and reward them for good behavior. 1. Manage your dog's environment. Managing your dog's environment is important when housebreaking. Keep an eye on your dog at all times, especially during the initial training period. Use a crate or a small confined area when you cannot supervise your dog, to prevent accidents from happening. Also, consider using baby gates or closing doors to restrict your dog's access to areas where they are not allowed to eliminate. 1. Watch for signs. Watch for signs that your dog needs to go out, such as sniffing or circling. Take your dog out immediately when you notice these signs, to prevent accidents from happening. Pay attention to your dog's body language and behavior, as it can tell you a lot about their needs. 1. Clean up accidents. Clean up accidents immediately, using an enzymatic cleaner to remove the scent and prevent your dog from returning to the same spot. Avoid using harsh chemicals or cleaners with ammonia, as it can attract your dog to the same spot again. 1. Stay consistent. Consistency is crucial when housebreaking your dog. Stick to the routine, use the same verbal command, and reward good behavior consistently. Avoid confusing your dog by changing the routine or the designated elimination area. In summary, housebreaking is a critical aspect of dog training. It involves teaching your dog proper elimination habits, which are essential for maintaining a clean and healthy living environment. By establishing a routine, choosing a designated elimination area, rewarding good behavior, being patient, managing your dog's environment, watching for signs, cleaning up accidents, and staying consistent, you can successfully housebreak your dog. What you shouldn't do when housebreaking your dog. 1. Punish your dog for accidents. Punishing your dog for accidents is counterproductive. Dogs do not understand punishment after the fact, and it can lead to fear, anxiety, and even aggression. Instead, redirect your dog to the designated elimination area and reward them for good behavior. 1. Never rub a dog's nose in urine or feces, or punish a dog for an accident. 2. This often will teach your dog to fear you and may hide when he has go. 2. It is never instinctive for dogs to relieve themselves outside, however it is natural for most dogs not to go where they sleep. 3. Use pee pads or indoor elimination areas. Using pee pads or indoor elimination areas can confuse your dog. Dogs learn by repetition, and they will associate elimination with the surface they use. If you want your dog to eliminate outside, avoid using pee pads or indoor elimination areas altogether. 1. Free feed your dog. Free feeding your dog can make it challenging to establish a routine. Dogs need to eat on a schedule, and free feeding can lead to unpredictable elimination habits. Establish a feeding schedule and stick to it. 1. Give up too soon. Housebreaking takes time and patience. It can be frustrating when accidents happen, but giving up too soon will only prolong the process. Stick to the routine, be patient, and remember that your dog is learning a new habit. 1. Ignore your dog's signals. Dogs will usually give signals when they need to eliminate, such as sniffing around or pacing. 1. Ignoring these signals can lead to accidents. Watch for these signals and take your dog to the designated elimination area immediately. 1. Leave your dog unsupervised. Leaving your dog unsupervised can lead to accidents. When you're not around to watch your dog, they may eliminate in the wrong place. If you need to leave your dog alone, crate them or confine them to a designated area. 1. Forget to clean up accidents thoroughly. If your dog has an accident, make sure to clean it up thoroughly. If the odor remains, your dog may be attracted to that area and eliminate there again. Use an enzyme-based cleaner to remove any odor completely. 1. Make sudden changes to the routine. Dogs thrive on routine, and sudden changes can be confusing. If you need to make changes to the routine, do so gradually. For example, if you need to change the feeding schedule, do it in small increments over a few days. 1. Neglect to reward good behavior. Positive reinforcement is crucial to housebreaking your dog successfully. Reward your dog every time they eliminate in the designated area. Use praise, treats, or playtime as a reward. 1. Assume your dog is fully trained. Even after your dog is housebroken, accidents may still occur. Certain situations, such as changes in routine, can cause setbacks. Keep an eye on your dog's behavior and continue to reinforce good habits. Conclusion. Housebreaking is an essential aspect of owning a dog. With the right techniques and patience, you can make the process easier for you and your dog. Remember to establish a routine, choose a designated elimination area, reward good behavior, and be patient. Avoid punishing your dog for accidents, using pee pads or indoor elimination areas, free feeding your dog, and giving up too soon. With consistent training, your dog will learn proper elimination habits and become a well-behaved companion. We also recommend consulting with a professional dog trainer if you are having difficulty housebreaking your dog. They can provide personalized training and advice that can help make the process smoother. Remember, housebreaking is just one aspect of training your dog. Consistent training, positive reinforcement, and patience are key to raising a well-behaved and happy dog. So, invest the time and effort into your dog's training, and you will reap the rewards for years to come. In conclusion, housebreaking your dog is an essential part of responsible pet ownership. By following these tips, you can make the process easier for you and your furry friend. Establish a routine, choose a designated elimination area, reward good behavior, and be patient. Avoid punishing your dog for accidents, using pee pads or indoor elimination areas, free feeding your dog, and giving up too soon. With consistency and patience, your dog will learn proper elimination habits and become a well-behaved companion. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.